The 100 years of Alenia Aermacchi represent the history of the Italian aeronautical industry. The first Italian air-to-air victory was scored by Francesco Baracca on 7th of April 1916 on a Nieuport 11. Throughout World War II, 5,000 Macchi and Fiat fighters fought on all fronts. Licensed production of British and American jets allowed Italian industry to resume production. The Fiat G91, developed in the mid-50s from these technologies, went on to become the first Italian-made jet used by the Frecce Tricolori acrobatic team. In Italy, the 104 formed the basis for the 1969 merger between Fiat and Aerfair that led to Air Italia. Today, the Alenia Aermacchi M346 delivers the step change required to train pilots for new generation fighter jets, very different from their predecessors. The invention of gas turbines revolutionized air transport. New markets opened for airlines and aircraft manufacturers. The ATR regional turboprop was a great success. Fruit of a joint venture with French industry, it is now market leader with over 1,000 aircraft already delivered. The almost 15,000 commercial aircraft built with aerostructures provided by Alenia Aermacchi heritage companies are the latest chapter in the recent history of the company and an important part of its future. In 1970, the G222 became the first airplane to fly under the Air Italia name. The C-27J Spartan builds on the experience of over 100 G222s, adding new engines, avionics and systems, enabling even more significant performance. Ten workers to build the first Nieuport Macchi monoplane. Today, 12,000 staff for the M346 trainer, the C-27J battlefield airlifter, the Typhoon multi-role fighter, the ATR regional turboprops. The person most surprised by the Alenia Aermacchi centennial would be Giulio Macchi himself. who, in founding the company, had set its life at 7 years, just long enough to understand whether airplanes would remain a short-term market opportunity or would become a long-term industrial business.